CEO of the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Management, retired Major General Rodney Smart, reveals there are major changes coming for the agency. Speaking at the Business and Community Resilience Co-Creation event organized by the Caribbean Disaster Emergency Management Agency and UNICEF, Mr. Smart says the region is one of the most disaster-prone.
We are in the process of refining the draft National Comprehensive Disaster Management Policy and an implementation plan, the Country Work Program, which we receive great support from the Caribbean Disaster Emergency Management Agency.
Other speakers at the one-day conference note that 2/3 of the disasters that have occurred over the last 50 years hit the Caribbean region.
This key policy and plan will provide the strategic direction for the implementation of the Sendai Framework for Disaster Risk Reduction. The framework, which was adopted in 2020 by Trinidad and Tobago in full, is a global blueprint for disaster risk reduction and management.
Mr. Smart believes the private sector is the key to disaster risk reduction by providing support after disasters.
This process, therefore, will allow the ODPM and all our stakeholders to recommend to the government new strategic direction for disaster management, leading to the updating of existing legislation, thereby strengthening the collective capacity of all sectors, inclusive of our private sector.
The ODPM's CEO commends the private sector for their response to the recent disasters in St. Vincent, Suriname, and Barbados, adding that their provision of supplies and much-needed assistance helped these countries to recover from their respective events. Terry-Ann Browne-Campbell, TTT News.